guys, welcome to our channel today. This is Trader C Brown, and I am here to share with you on my take analysis forecast on Euro USD. This is week 28. We're looking to trade, and today is Sunday, and we are looking at the market to get ready when it opens so that we can know what to do and how to get in and make some differences in our trading. Now, if you haven't watched the GBP USD that I've done the forecast for week 28. Go watch the video after you finish watching this. It will help you to understand the movement of both Euro USD and GBP USD. Okay, you understand them, and then you'll be able to trade these two pairs wonderfully. Okay, now let's look at what we have on the chart right here. As you can see, this is the daily time frame on Euro USD. This is the daily time frame. So I'm looking at what the market is doing right here. Okay, so we saw that, and the market failed. I was anticipating for the market to come to this low before bouncing off, but it failed. All right, it failed to come to that low. So now it's already getting higher from there. So we see the price came and created this low here. All right, on the daily, and then it's heading up. Now the question is, where's it going? So we have two areas to pay attention to. First, this high right here where price came up before to break this high. So that's this pullback here, and then we have this consolidation phase that actually deceived the structure. So we have this high as well. So first of all, this is the daily time frame. Okay, so if you check from here to here, I'm breaking the high, maybe about 30 pips. All right, but from here where the price is, if we notice from here to that high is about 70 pips. Okay, great trade for scalpers, right? Even day traders can catch that. But I want you to pay attention to something. First, we want to see price take out this high on the daily. We want to see that price take out. Yes, it's looking bullish. Obviously, it's bullish. It appears bullish. Okay, the market has failed to break the structure, so it's creating a new push up. Okay, it appears bullish right here. Okay, but what I want you to pay attention to is this high. We want to see that the price break this high on the daily time frame. It breaks it and then probably tap into this high, because already if you are not in the buy, it's going to push higher. But those of you that scalp and a little bit of intraday trade skills, you'll be able to catch it on the lower time frame. I'll show you that in a moment. But looking at this high right here, we want to price to take out this high to enable us to visualize a more bullish momentum to the upside. Okay, very important. We want to be able to visualize a more bullish momentum to the upside. So that's first. So now let's look at the 4-hour time frame to be able to understand what the market is doing here. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, we can literally see that this trend has been broken. So we are bullish right here. Okay, so let's say on Friday morning by 10 o'clock, that is when you saw this bullish momentum. Otherwise, you would have been looking for more sales before then. So now, by that time, you wait for a pullback and you'll be able to get into the buy, if you, depending on the strategy that you have. All right, for those of you who don't understand, if you have my indicator, that would have obviously give you a sign there to get in the buy, right? But if you don't have the indicator, that's fine. But this is what it's looking at. All right, this is what price is looking at right here. Now, the first thing you want to pay attention to is this low, multiple low that the market created. Okay, and you can see it broke this low, and then it didn't break this low. So what I mean by that is the market left here equal low at the bottom, but even this low was higher than this low body wise. Okay, you're looking at the body. So it was obviously, I'm now seeing a bullish movement to the upside, but you can see how price eventually created a break that structure, and now we have maybe a pullback. Now the first thing you want to do is, does the price break any structure to the upside? Of course it did on the 4-hour time frame. First of all, we have this high taken out. Okay, we have this high taken out. We have another high taken out. This high has been taken out by this bullish momentum. All right, that's it. We have that high taken out. Yes, so we have two breakup structure to the upside. So the best thing you want to wait for is a pullback. Would there be a reasonable pullback? Of course, we can already see that the candle is creating a red, closing a red candle here. So there is a sign that there will be a reasonable pullback. So for those of you that trade Fibonacci, all you need to do is just put your swing high to swing low over there and expect price to come in between this zone. So I'm expecting price to come into the zone, which is the 50 level. That's a 50 level, and then price come into that level, and then expect another bullish ride. So this is your trade you're going to be looking for the week. Now there could be another pullback if that happened, but this is the trade you want to be looking at. So for you, you want to be targeting a reasonable pullback on this trade. So I'll be expecting price to come into the zone as a day trader, or this zone. Not this two. I'm bullish. So I'm looking at price coming into the zone to be a reasonable opportunity for me to target the next previous high. Now, remember, this is just a forecast. You're looking at it as what possibly will happen in the market, because this is exactly what you're going to be looking for to see that the market gives you. Because of the previous high, you target that high because that's the previous high. Now, this is exactly what I'm looking at to trade on Euro USD. For those of you that trade Euro USD, this is the picture you want to see. Now, if you go to the 1-hour time frame, you will see that there's already a retracement going on. So let me delete that so you can see what I mean. You should be able to do this, okay? That's why I do this analysis every week to help young traders understand the move of the market. Now, you want to see this price action here first. Maybe price will come up here and then before going up on the 1-hour time frame. You should pay attention to that, this price zone, reaction zone. So we want to have that price playing out already in that zone. What I mean by that is, on the 1-hour time frame, we have another swing high to swing low to this level. Okay, so that would be the 50 level right there. Although I didn't activate the 50 level, I think I did. Let me see. Maybe 38 level. Let me see. No, it's not activated. So if I activate the 50 level, as you can see right there, so it just touched it. So that's the 50 level, and you're expecting price to come in there and tap into that zone and then create a reaction, and then you're in, bam, smash it to the upside. So that's what we're looking at. So these are the trade setup for the week, coming week 28. Of course, you're going to have pullback, push up again, but it's still very much bullish. Just keep looking at this structure that is being taken out and then keep trading into the upside. And that is what you want to do on Euro USD. I hope you got this idea. Now, if you have been struggling with your trading, struggling with consistency, listen, I'm going to be having a training on the 17th of July. From on the 17th, it's going to be 2 weeks from the date of 17th to the 28th. So it's going to be 2 weeks of training, intensive training. So you want to join us? Hey, hit the link in the description, which is the Telegram group. Come to the Telegram group. All the information you need to join that training, even all the information, they are there. Free ideas, charts, analysis, informations on how to trade. You got all of them. So come to that Telegram group and join us there, and I will send you the information that you need to join for the training. Okay. All right. So this is exactly what I'm looking to do with these two pairs. If you haven't watched the GBP USD, go watch it. Now, what about the fundamentals? Let's look at the fundamentals quickly. On Monday, there's not much to worry about except this guy speaking. All right. Then after that, on Tuesday, we have a 7 a.m. Okay, definitely you have to wait for the news to be released before you trade. And also on Wednesday, we have a lot of news coming up, lined up. Okay, 9 a.m. we have boy speaking. Then we have 1:30 USD CPI. Pay attention to that. And also we have 3 p.m. CAD, and also 4 p.m. as well. So pay attention to these fundamentals. And also we have on Friday, on Thursday, 1:30 USD PPI, and we have GDP on British pounds by 7 a.m. So on Friday, we have 3 p.m. Consumer sentiment being released on USD. So that's not much to worry about, really. You can always handle this week 28 if you'll be trading, so you just know what to do. All right, that's about the fundamentals. It's not much to worry about, really. It's quiet. It's a bit quiet week, not too much to worry about, like compared to week 27, where we have like back-to-back on the news throughout the week. We have back-to-back. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I believe you enjoy yourself. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you're new. Listen, join us on our Telegram group, and we will take you to the next level. Thanks, guys, for following us, and I appreciate you for watching the video and sharing it. I'm going to see you in week 29. Enjoy your week 28 trading week. All right. Bye for now.